You don't need mind tricks. They're already resonating with you right now. Stay with me. This telepathy ritual will awaken their thoughts in just minutes. Telepathy isn't science fiction. It's a natural energy exchange. Today, you'll learn how to amplify that current and direct their focus toward you. First, center yourself. Sit tall and grounded through your sit bones. Feel a column of light rising up your spine, connecting earth to sky. Your thoughts carry a unique vibrational signature, a personal frequency that speaks directly to their mind. Imagine their face emerging as a living waveform, each curve and contour pulsing with your intention. See that waveform ripple outward, like sound waves moving through water, carrying your energy straight to them. Feel the subtle vibration in your chest as you mold each crest and trough with your focus. Now, silently in your mind, repeat the phrase, "They think of me now." Let each word echo through that waveform, softly at first, then with growing certainty. Feel the emphasis on think as the wave surges, and the assurance in me as it settles. With each repetition, picture the ripples crossing the distance between you. They're traveling through space and time, unseen, yet undeniably real. Breathe in. And as you exhale, empower the final word, now, locking your telepathic signature into place. They think of me now. Pause. Sense the lingering vibration. They think of me now. Allow that quiet confidence to expand, anchoring this message deep within their subconscious. By the end of this ritual, your silent call will have been sent and received, your telepathic imprint woven into their awareness. Close your eyes once more and turn your focus inward. Picture a fine silver thread stretching out from the middle of your forehead, your third eye extending toward theirs. See it shimmer in the darkness, like moonlight dancing on still water. Watch as that thread grows brighter with every breath you take, pulsing gently in time with your heartbeat. Feel its energy hum against your mind, a delicate vibration that bridges the gap between you. Imagine each pulse carrying your desire, your longing to them, crystallized in that glowing strand. See its glow intensify, shifting from silver to pearlescent white, illuminating the space between you in a soft, radiant glow. Notice how the thread weaves in and out of your vision, connecting two souls across any distance. Sense the warmth traveling along its length, spreading from your forehead to theirs, an electric current of intention. As you breathe in, feel the thread expand. As you exhale, let it contract back, tightening the bond. Visualize that connection strengthening with each cycle. Visualize that connection strengthening with each cycle. Now, hold that image in your mind's eye, a living conduit of thought and feeling. Know that every shimmer of light is a message delivered, your presence felt and acknowledged. When you're ready, gently allow the image to fade, keeping the memory of that silver link alive in your awareness. Now, let your awareness widen. Feel their presence brushing against the edges of your mind. Hear your name whispered on the wind, tender and unmistakable. I can't stop thinking about you. Notice the timbre of their voice, warm, familiar, pulling at your heartstrings. Imagine it echoing in the stillness around you, wrapping you in comfort. Then, softer yet certain, your energy guided me back. Feel the vibration of those words resonate in your chest, like a gentle drumbeat. Visualize their lips moving, eyes locked on yours. Though miles apart, you experience the closeness. Listen again with full attention, as if you're standing side by side. I can't stop thinking about you. Allow their longing to wash over you, a wave of emotion that affirms your bond. And once more, with deeper conviction, your energy guided me back. Let that affirmation settle in your bones. Know without doubt that your telepathic signal has been heard and answered. Continue to feel their nearness as you prepare to anchor this connection. Feel that surge expanding in your chest. That's your telepathic signal magnified, sending your message straight to their mind. Notice how your heartbeat echoes the power of your intent. Now, seal this connection with 3 deliberate taps over your heart. First tap, firm and confident, locking in your magnetic wave. Second tap, strong and clear, anchoring your vibration deep within. Third tap, bold and final, sealing your intention with unwavering certainty. With each tap, you're engraving your presence on their energy field. This simple gesture binds your minds together, unbreakable and true. Open your eyes and welcome back. Carry this silver thread with you. Every thought and every glance maintains the link between your minds. Let your presence be their constant companion, even when you're apart. You've just ignited a silent dialogue deeper than words. Experiment with it daily. Watch their interest peak. And to supercharge this connection, click the next video for the ultimate attraction hack. See how to make them chase you like never before.